Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have these Microline pen by CHARSOCO, and these are 12 sets, and look, they're all different colors. We're gonna try these out, and I'll show you guys what they all look like here. They are very nice. Look at how nice these things are. Nice little pens. And so this is 01. Can tell you what the colors are, what the numbers are? I guess it's 01. I guess it goes from this way to that way. Oh no, they all say 01 on it. I guess that's just the thinness of it. So this is gonna be black. And so it's got like this kind of tip you can see. And look at that, it makes a nice mark. Can you see, where are we at here? If I do here, I don't know if you can see, but I'll aim you guys down a little bit so you can. So this is what it looks like. So there's that color. We're gonna move on to this color here. Sorry, I cannot tell you the colors due to the fact that I cannot see the colors. There we go. We'll try this one here. We've got 12 of these we have 12 of these we're gonna go through here. Stop videoing. There we go. Let's see. So this is, where's my pen? Oh, there it is. So this is kind of blue. Here's, I think, another type of blue. This is the color here. Can you see that one? We have a lot of colors here, and these are all super thin ones. This one here. I think that was it this one? Uh-oh. I think that one. Sorry, I'm just trying to put the caps back on so I don't mess up what they are. We have this color right here. We have over here. So we're getting a lot lighter now. And here's another one here. Let's see, right there. I like that color. We have this one here. You can see what this one is there. And we're gonna go over here. And that's what that one looks like. There's this color here. Oh, it's got the colors on both ends. Very nice. There's that. And we are on the very last one, and it looks like it's gonna be yellow. So that's gonna go here. So they're all the different colors. So this is all what they look like here. These are all the little pens right there. And they are cool. I like them. Thumbs up.